What do you do for a living?
I make money off a laptop.
I'm just a student.
How much money do you make a year, roundabout?
I don't know, a year, but a month, I got a cool like 12K coming in.
$1,000.
So where do you guys live?
Burbank.
How about you?
I live in the valley, yeah.
Do your parents rent or own their house?
Oh,
Own, how about you?
My parents don't live together. My mom rents. My dad, he owns.
Okay. Do you know how much they pay for mortgage?
no idea.
How about you?
I think my dad's house is paid off.
What's the most overrated luxury brand?
Fendi.
Fendi, okay. And what about you?
I'm gonna say Balenciaga.
Balenciaga, okay. So why Fendi?
It's just too basic. It's basic.
And why Balenciaga?
It's just too basic too.
If you could hang out with any rapper, who would it be?
Playboy Cardi.
Kanye West.
Okay, so why Playboy Cardi?
He's the best dressed rapper out there.
Okay, and why Kanye?
I just feel like he lives like an exotic lifestyle, and like I'd want to see like what like he does on the daily to like make him like say and do the things he does.